Hi, we're gonna do a simple and fun activity. Here's what you'll need. Some orange Tic Tac, some white Tic Tac, a white plate, some napkins, and a simple container. You also need a little brother. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to set a very short timer, just 10 seconds, and I'm going to remove the cover on this plate. On this plate, there are a lot of orange and white Tic Tac. Zach's goal is to grab as many of any kind of Tic Tac as he can. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, actually.
Technical difficulties.
Okay, as you can see, there are a lot more orange Tic Tac than white Tic Tac. If these Tic Tacs were wild animals, more orange ones would have been eaten or caught. More of the white or camouflage ones would have survived. The camouflage animals would have then passed their traits on to their offspring. This is called natural selection.